Hi guys, last week we have discussed the VLOOKUP function within the same sheet. So today we are just going to plan and give you like uh, from one sheet to another sheet how to do the VLOOKUP. So in here the same database I'm using which I've used for the last from the beginning itself. So I have changed the format for a bit and it says the grand total I have taken to the upper upper level. So in here you can see two sheets. One is the data entry sheet and the other one is the database. So database you can see from all the products I have mentioned the total received and issued quantities. So when I just look into the data entry sheet, so I'm just going to insert the VLOOKUP function in here for the received quantity equal VLOOKUP, open the bracket, and the value that you are going to select, it comes as B7, comma, and the database from the beginning of the data sheet, the product and the received quantity. Received quantity comes to the column 2, then comma 2. The exact value, comma 0. Then you will close the bracket. Then you can see the received quantity has been received. So I'm just going to put the issued quantities here, the same formula, equal VLOOKUP, open bracket, product, comma, from the database, product, and then for the issues, column 3, comma 3, comma 0, closing the bracket. Then you can see the issued quantity appears here. Then you will copy the data and then paste it here. See, you can see the total quantities have been received, have been appeared in here, the received and issued quantities.